So, so if this is 50 degrees, this will become 100 degrees. So this is about central angle and inscribed angle. So what about this? So the inscribed angle on the diameter or semicircle will be always 90 degree. Do you understand that? Will be always 90 degree. Okay.
Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
Next we'll see some solid shapes. Do you know what is meant by solid shape?
Sir, which have volume?
Yes. So is there any? Have you ever seen a square in the real life?
No, sir.
No. So I mean, like, square doesn't exist in 3D world. In our world, it is 3D, right? So
Yes.
square is a 2D world. So 2D objects doesn't exist in the 3D world. Okay. So every object will occupy some space. Okay. That is called volume. Okay. The space occupied by the object is called volume. Now, do you know total surface area and lateral surface area? Do you have any idea?
No, sir.
So every object has some surface area, right? Assume there is a ball. Ball has a surface, right?
Yes, sir.
So will have a surface area also. So that called total surface area. Okay. Sum of all the surface area, sum of areas of all surfaces is called total surface area. And there is one more thing called lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means it's like this. Mm, when we are calculating volume of a, it's a assume this is a cuboid. Okay, this is a cuboid. So this front there is surface. This side we will have a surface. Back also we will have a surface. This right also will have a surface. And top and bottom also will have a surface. This if we delete this top and bottom surface areas, then it is called lateral surface area. Okay, you with the example you will understand more. Lateral surface means without top and bottom. Okay, that is lateral surface. Curved surface area means for curved objects it will have curved surface area. So with an example you'll understand more. Okay, rectangular solids. So this is cuboid, right? Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Okay. What is the volume of the cuboid? Do you have an idea?
Sir, height into width into length, sir.
Yeah, it's length into breadth is the area of this base, right? Do you agree with me? This base
Yes, sir.
has area, length into breadth. And we added one more dimension, right? So volume will become length into breadth into height. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Next, total surface area. Total surface area. Okay. Total surface area is like this. What is surface of the bottom rectangle? What is the area of this bottom rectangle? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is the area of this bottom rectangle?
Sir, means do you mean, sir, lateral surface or total surface area?
I'm trying to find total surface area, but first tell me what is the area of this surface? This bottom there is a rectangle, right?
Yes,
What will be
sir.
that area?
2 into R plus B, sir. Yes, sir.
Mm, no, no, no. See, area means what is area of rectangle?
Sir, L into B, sir. L into
L
B.
into B, right? So here this is L and this is B. So this area is length into breadth. What will be this area, this top area?
M into breadth, sir.
L into B. So this is also L into B, this is also L. If you add both of them, you'll get 2LB. This is the area of these two surfaces. What about this surface?
Length into breadth, sir. Side into side, sir.
What is one side? One is breadth and one
Length,
is
sir.
height. Length is this side. This is length.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Okay, sir. Understood.
what is area of this side?
Breadth into height, sir.
Breadth into height. Here also one is there. Here also there is one more thing, right? Agree.
Yes, sir.
So both of them will have same area or different areas?
Same area, sir.
Same area. So can I take that as 2 into breadth into height?
Yes, sir.
Next, one more. There are two more surfaces are there. This surface. What will be the area of this surface?
Sir, length into breadth into
Mhm.
length into
Uh,
height, sir.
yes, this surface. Right? I'm asking. This surface will have. This is length and this is height. There are two surfaces like this, right? Back side also there is one more. Agree. This one. Back
Yes,
side.
sir.
So that will be 2 into length into height. Agree? This is a
Yes,
total
sir.
surface area, right? If you add all the surface areas,
Yes.
that is total surface area. What is that? 2 of LB plus BH plus
B.
HL.
Sir.
Do you understand? So this is total surface area.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll see lateral surface area. We'll see lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is nothing but I said you should remove top and bottom areas. What is bottom and top area?
Whatever on top area is HL, sir.
No, no, no. See here, what is this length and this is breadth. So what is this area?
Length into breadth, sir.
Length into breadth. This is also length into breadth. This is also length into breadth, right? Same
Yes,
area.
sir.
Do you agree with me? So that is
Yes,
2
sir.
into length into breadth. We don't want this area. We have to remove this area from the total surface area. That means if you remove this, what will be left?
Uh,
2BH
2BH plus 2LH.
12H. So if I take common 2H, can I write like this? 2H of L plus B?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You understand this, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the volume, total surface area, and lateral surface area. Okay. And there is one more thing called diagonal. I'll show you. Diagonal means from this side to this, from this point to this point. Agree? What will be the length of this diagonal? Can you think of it?
Sir,
Length of diagonal. What will be the length of diagonal?
sir, root L square plus B square.
Uh, if you do that, you'll get this from this side to this side. You understand that? Or wait. What you'll get is this thing. What you said is you root of L square plus B square. If you do that, you'll get this length, not this length. Do you understand that? So if you get this length has okay. So as you said, do you remember this? I just now discussed, right? Length into breadth into height. LSS 2 of L plus B into H. TSS 2 of LB plus BS plus HL. Right? Next, the last thing, diagonal we are discussing. So this is the diagonal. Okay. This is the diagonal. And this is root of L square plus B square. Why this is root of L square plus B square? This is the right angle triangle because okay, this is right angle triangle. You understand that? And this is also a right angle triangle. So this will become root of L square plus B square plus H square. Did you understand this part? How the diagonal become root of L square plus B square plus H square?
Yes.
So diagonal length is D equal to root of L square plus B square plus H square. Okay. Now next figure you have to find every formula. Okay. You understand this, right? So now tell me what is the volume of this cube? It's called cube. What is the volume of this cube?
Sir, S cube, sir.
S cube. Okay. Next, total surface area.
Total surface area is sir, first we will have area of down one is S square, sir.
Up one also?
Up one also S square, sir. So
Okay.
2S square, sir.
2s square. Next,
2S square plus this is also 2S square, sir.
okay. Plus 2s square. Front and back?
2S square.
2s square. So total area is?
6S
6s
square.
square. The lateral surface area, can you tell me? You should remove
4S
this.
square, sir.
Yes, perfect. 4s square. Can you think of diagonal? Diagonal.
So diagonal
Root of this square plus this square plus this square. That means 3s square.
yes, sir.
That will get s root 3. Okay. Diagonal will be s root 3. Remember this. Okay. Yes,
Yes,
correct.
sir.
You understand this? Volume equal to s cube, LSA equal to 4s square, TSA equal to 6x square, diagonal D equal to s root 3. Okay. Prism. What do you understand by prism?
So means
You don't know about prism? I'm just asking casually. Never heard of prism?
I
Prism,
heard, sir.
pyramid. You heard.
Yes, sir.
Uh, how should I draw the prism? You tell me.
Sir, it will be like
Okay.
somewhat like this, sir.
So is this prism or pyramid? What you have drawn it
I,
is?
sir,
Hmm.
like sir, are not prism and pyramid not same, sir.
They are not same actually. Prism is different and pyramid is different. I'll tell you the
Sir,
difference.
somewhat it will be like this, sir. It will come like chocolate shape, sir.
Mhm.
Like this and at last like this, sir. And it will attach like this. Sir, could I show like the net of it, sir?
No need of that. I'll tell you. This is pyramid. What you have drawn here is pyramid. I'll tell you prism. Wait, I'll tell you what is prism. Okay. So
Sir, I did the activity on it also, sir. Like I prepared a
pri-
rectangle bit, sir.
rectangular prism.
Rectangular, triangular,
Okay.
circular.
But the two are different actually. Prism and pyramids are different. I'll tell you.
Sir,
So
I did on prism only, sir.
okay.
Activity.
Okay. So what you have drawn here is it's a rectangular prism. I mean, if you take the base will be
Yes,
like
sir.
rectangular, triangular, right?
Yes, sir.
This is triangle, right? So this is called
Yes, sir.
triangular pyramid. So if I see triangular prism, so this will be this kind of figure.
Yes, sir. Like this.
Right?
Yes,
You
sir.
understand that? What is the difference here is we are attaching to a point in pyramid, but here we are attaching to the same base. Agree? Did you understand this? We are attaching to the same base. Agree?
Sir,
Uh,
rectangular prism and
hmm,
square prism is like
hmm. Cube.
cuboid and cube, sir.
Yes, 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 yes. Perfect. What you said is absolutely correct. So, for cuboid, how did we found the volume? One second. Let me draw the figure. So,
L into B into H, sir.
yes, L into B into H. So, first, what we done in this? First, we found base area, right? Base area.
Yes,
What is
sir.
base area? Length into breadth, right?
L into
Next,
B.
we multiplied with height. So, length into
Right.
breadth into height. So, for prism, the volume will be base area into height. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Prism, for any prism, the volume is base area into height. Now tell me, what is cylinder? Can we take cylinder as prism or pyramid?
Prism, sir.
Prism, right? Now tell me
Circular
what
prism.
circular prism. What will be the volume of the circular prism? Can you tell me?
The volume of cylinder is the
What is base area?
volume of cylinder is pi r 2h, sir.
Not like that. I'm asking you, what is the base area?
This area, sir.
Hmm,
Pi r square, sir.
Pi r square. Now, as I said, it is a prism. So what is the volume? Base area into height.
Height,
So
right?
volume will become pi r square h. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Do you get this? Okay.
Yes, sir.
What about cone? I'll tell you. The difference between prism and pyramid is so three pyramids equal to one prism of the same base area and height. If the base area and height are same, it's nothing but in one prism we can fill three pyramids. Do you understand that?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then volume will become 1 by 3 of prism area, right? Volume of pyramid will be 1 by 3 of base area into height. Do you agree with me? 1 by 3 into base area into height. Do you agree with me? Volume equal to 1 by
Yes.
3 into base area into height. So it will become, as I said, same, right? So 1 by 3 into base area into height. So what can you tell about this? If I say cone, what can you tell about cone? What kind of figure
Sir,
cone? Hmm. Can we say?
is it a pyramid?
Yeah, cone is a pyramid. So circular pyramid, right? Do you agree with me? What will be
Yes,
the
sir.
volume of this circular pyramid?
Sir,
1/3 into what is the base area?
5
Pi r
square, sir.
square, pi r square, and the height will have h. So what is the uh, volume of this cone? 1/3 pi r square h. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's it. So this is a triangular prism, rectangular prism, hexagonal prism. As we discussed, volume equal to base area into height. Right? You agree with me? Next, pyramid. Triangular pyramid, rectangular pyramid, hexagonal pyramid, and volume equal to 1/3 base area into height.
Sir, the base will be triangular, rectangular, or
Any
square. It could be
anything.
or hex.
Eh, We can take anything. Okay. There is nothing like you should not take like this. We can take anything. Okay.
Okay.
Right circular cylinder. We just now discussed. What is the volume of this right circular cylinder?
So pi square into h.
Yes, perfect. Volume is pi r square into h. So first we'll see CSA. For curved objects, it will be CSA. Okay. This is curved, right? Okay. We want this area, like all this area. Now, can you tell me what will be this length? This is a circle. And what is this called?
Circumference, sir.
Circumference. What is the circumference of the circle?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. So, and we are we want all the circumference areas, right? Agree? The circle has all the circumference with height h, right? Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So CSA will be 2 pi r h. Did you understand this part? Only one
Yes,
circle.
sir.
I'm like this is circumference of the circle. So the circumference is spread around h length. So CSA will be 2 pi r h. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Next, total surface area. What about this? So we have to add this area and this area. What is this area? Pi r square. So 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. Agree? If you take 2 pi r common, 2 pi r into r plus h. Do you understand this? Hello?
Sir, can you explain again?
See, did you understand CSA part?
Yes,
2 pi
sir.
r h. So for TSA is nothing but total surface area. That means you have to add the upper portion and lower portion also, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is upper portion? Pi r square and lower portion also pi r square. So if you add 2 pi r square, 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, that will give you 2 pi r into r plus h. Did you understand now?
Sir, but have you got like in between why you got h, sir?
CSA is 2 pi r h, right? See, we have to add this area plus this area for total surface area, right? We're talking about total
Yes,
surface area. So we want all the surface area, right? CSA
yes,
is
sir.
2 pi r h, right? 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Do you understand that?
Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So CSA is 2 pi r h, TSA is 2 pi r into r plus h. Okay. Next, cone. What about cone? What is the volume of this cone?
Sir, base is pi r square, sir.
pi r square. What is this called? A pyramid or prism?
Pyramid.
Pyramid. So what is the pyramid volume?
1/3 into
Pi r square.
pi r square.
I mean like 1 by 3 into base area into height. So base area is
Yes,
pi r
sir.
square and height is h. Right? You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now can you tell me value of L in terms of h and r? This L is nothing but slant height. What will be the value of L? Can you tell me?
L is equals to r square plus h square, sir.
Root of
Yes, sir. Root of r square
r
plus
square
h
plus
square.
h square because it's a right angle triangle, right? This is hypotenuse. So L equal
Yes,
to root
sir.
of r square plus h square. So we use this slant height to find the curved surface area. The curved surface area is pi r L. Okay. We don't use h because we want this area, right? That's why we use this. Okay. Pi r L. Do you understand that?
Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
Next, total surface area is nothing but you should add this base circle. What is that base circle area? Pi r L plus pi r square. If you take pi r common, r plus L. Did you understand this? Pi r of r plus L.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So these are the formulas of the cone. Volume is pi r square h by 3, pi r L, pi r into r plus L. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next is sphere. Sphere, you just remember this. This is the sphere. It's nothing but ball. Okay. So this is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. You can remember like this. Here there will be 3 and here there will be 3. Okay. And TSA is 4 pi r square. I'm saying TSA equal to CSA. Can you tell me the reason why?
Because it has no
No base
the
and
pot
top.
top and bottom, no, sir.
Yeah. There is no
Everything will be same for sir.
same. Yes. Now, and also we'll discuss about hemisphere. Do you know what's by hemisphere? Do you have an idea about hemisphere? Huh?
Uh, sure, I heard the word, sir.
Hemi means half of the sphere. Right now, you're if you see, this is the hemisphere. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So for hemisphere, what will be the volume? Can you guess? What will be the volume for
4
hemisphere?
by 6 pi r cube, sir.
4 by 6 you can take or 2 by 3 you can take. Do you agree with me? 4 by 6 is nothing but 2 by 3, right?
Yes, sir.
2 by 3 pi r cube. Half of the sphere. Okay. Next, for this CSA is from 4 you are subtracting, you are dividing with 2, so it will become 3 pi r square. Sorry, 2 pi r square. Agree? CSA. And this will have TSA. Do you agree with me? Because it has top. What is this top area? This is radius r. So this will have pi r square. Agree?
Yes,
So TSA will be 3 pi r square. Did you understand this part?
yes, sir.
CSA means only this part. Okay. This part will be half of the 4 pi r square. That is 2 pi r square. For TSA, we have to add one more part, right? This. So that is 3 pi r square. Okay. Are you able to see the questions?
Yes,
Yeah. Try to find them. So, okay. Try this question. Try first question and tell me the answer. There are two cuboidal boxes which are shown in the figure. Which of the following box requires lesser amount of material to make? Material to make. Okay. They are not asking about surface. Material means volume. Okay. Which has lesser volume? They're asking. Tell me which has lesser volume. Are you finding the volume?
Yeah.
Okay. What did you got this volume? What's the volume of this box?
1,20,000.
Okay. 6 4s are
I'm
24.
doing
120, 0, 0, 0. See, how you should do is 5 4s are 20, 2 6 are 12, right? 120 and remaining zeros 0, 0, 0. That's it. What about 5 5s are?
so, but we have three no sir.
Yeah,
Again,
yeah. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are
25 5 are 125 sir.
125. And there are three zeros. 0, 0, 0. So which has more volume? B has more volume, but they're asking lesser amount. So A is the answer.
Yes,
Do you
yes,
understand it?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now think about second question. A suitcase with measure 80 centimeter, 48 centimeter, 24 centimeter is to be covered with tarpaulin cloth. Covered means, assume this is the uh, a suitcase. Covered means we should find all the surface area, right? Find total surface area first of this
Yeah.
80, 48, and 24. Find the total surface area.
So could you explain this?
Just find with formula. What is the formula of total surface area? 2 of LB plus BH plus HL, right? This is L
Yes,
and
sir.
this is B and this is H. Fine, using this formula. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
So what did you got as the answer? Total surface area.
Showing the multiplication formula.
90 into, sorry, 2 of LB. That means 80 into 48 plus 48 into 24 plus 24 into 80. Right? So 88 to 64, 8 4 the 32 plus 6, 38, 3840, 48 into 24. Anybody got this answer? 48 into 24. 48 is nothing but 24 into 2. 24 square is 576. So 576 into 2, 1076, 152. Tell me whether I am correct or wrong. 24 into 80, 8 4 the 32, 8 to the 16, 16 plus 3, 19, 1920. If you add all of them, what you get? 2 plus 2 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. Next 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18, 19. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3. 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6, 9, 1, 2. Is this 6, 9, 1, 2? Is the same thing did you got? Hello?
Yes, sir, I got the same answer.
Same answer. Okay, good.
Now we should multiply with 2 more, sir.
Why? Okay, there is multiply with 2, right? Yeah, yeah. Do it.
13,824, sir.
Okay. 13,824. So this is the total material required for one box, right? Now, how many meters of trampoline? Some cloth is used with 96 meters width. Okay. It's like this. A cloth is using. We are using a cloth which has 96 meters width. Okay.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking. 1 second.
Sir,
So you do one thing. You take the screenshot of these questions. 1 second.
sir?
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you do one thing. You take the screenshot of these questions. Actually,
Okay,
this
sir.
question should be done like this. 1 second. There is one more last step. So, as I said, what is the answer we get previously?
Sir, we got 30,824, sir.
24. Okay. This is the area required to cover, right? So we have a cloth which has 96 centimeters width. Okay, 96 centimeters width. We have to find length. Okay. So area of this cloth should be equal to the area of this, right? This area we want, right?
Yes,
Do you agree
sir.
with me? So what I'm writing is 96 into L equal to 13824. Do you agree with me? 96 into L. This is the, for this formula, 96 into L equal to 13824. So find L.
Okay.
Okay, you'll get find L. And they're asking for 100 such suitcases. You multiply 100 into L. Next. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try this question. Okay. And third one also easy.
Sir,
Uh,
sir, we have the cloth as that too, sir. We should multiply that 30,824 into 100 such suitcases, too, sir.
yeah, but first we'll find how many meters of trampoline we required. Then we multiply with 100. Do you agree with me? For one, I'm first of all I'm finding for one thing, then I'm multiplying with 100 instead of finding 100 things. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you multiply 100 initially, it will increase the calculation part. Okay, that's why I'm not doing that. Next, try third question, fourth question, and fifth question. Okay, we'll see remaining two more.
Okay.
Yeah. You can leave the class.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.